Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight from Home Chef we'll be making the Weeknight Chicken Fajitas with Seared Bell Peppers. As always, we're going to go through what came in the package from Home Chef as well as the utensils you need to prep and cook the meal. Once that's completed, we'll go through a step-by-step process of prepping and cooking the meal. With that said, let's get started. Ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have a tablespoon of taco seasoning. You could probably also just use Mexican seasoning. A 1/4 ounce of cilantro, two boneless, skinless chicken breasts, approximately 6½ ounces each. We have 1 red bell pepper. We have 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red onion, 6 small flour tortillas, two ounces of shredded cheddar jack cheese, and 1 ounce of sour cream. You'll need a few things to cook this meal, nothing too crazy. You'll need 2 pans, about medium sized. A medium sized bowl to mix everything up and marinate. As always, your favorite knife. About 4 bowls to slice and dice things. Optional, but should help, is the aluminum foil to keep the fajitas nice and warm when you're serving. Some pepper. Some salt, and as always, some olive oil. Alright, so the first step is we're going to marinate the chicken. Very simple. You take it out of the package, I rinse it, and then I just wrap it up to absorb most of the moisture. We're going to cut these into 1/4 strips. Then we're going to put it into the bowl. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes, preferably longer if you can. That's why we do this prior to slicing and dicing the veggies. Alright, so very simply, you do it like this. Alright, so here we're going. We're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon or so of oil, and half of the taco seasoning. What I like to do is just go in the middle, pour it in. I'm holding the other end, therefore half is remaining for the veggies. Close it back up, and we're now going to mix. And once we're done, it's all nicely combined. Now let's sit, relax, chill out for about 10 minutes, or as long as it takes to slice the veggies. So at least 10 minutes, could be longer, we'll see. So here is what we are doing. First up, if you use the same knife, as always, clean it prior to use. We're gonna de-stem, de-rib, and de-seed both peppers and cut them into strips. Then we're going to mince the cilantro. We're gonna cut the onion in half and thinly cut those into strips as well. Easy peasy. Alright, so we're going to get the pan on nice and hot. Always best to let it get hot for about 2 minutes or so. Put some oil in. Spread the oil. We're going to add the chicken. I had it marinate for around 18 minutes. We're going to cook it undisturbed for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Flip things over with a nice light char. And you're going to cook it for another 4 minutes or so. Alright, so now we're going to remove the chicken from the pan, and the veggies are next. No need to clean it out, just add some oil, put the veggies on, let them sit for a bit, get all nice and comfy. We're almost at the home stretch. Alright, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Add the peppers. Onions. Shake. And let it sit there for about 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to continue cooking for another 4 minutes, 3-4 minutes. Mixing every 30 seconds or so, tossing. So everything's all nice and caramelized. You want to do this on a medium heat. Next up is we're going to cut the heat, add the remaining taco seasoning to the pan, mix that together. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, mix that together. Make sure you get it all evenly distributed through all the peppers and the onions. With that done, we're going to reheat the pan. Add the chicken. And we're going to heat up for about 2 minutes, just to get the chicken all nice and hot. In the other pan, we're going to warm up the tortillas, so add 2 or 3 at a time, about 30 seconds, depending on how hot you want it, because we're just about done. Alright, so here we go. We have the peppers, the onions, and the chicken sitting here all nice. And here we have the tortillas. Close it up so it keep warm. As much or as little as you want in. Go. A little cilantro. Some cheese. And a dollop of sour cream. There we go. Ladies and gents, here we go. Stay tuned for the review. So the meal was really good. It was filling, it was tasty. No complaints. Because of 6 tortillas, 3 each. So again, you will not be hungry after eating this meal. Aside from that, nothing else to say about this meal. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned for the next video. Alright, take it easy.